Security forces resorted to heavy tear gas shelling last night to disperse a large crowd of protesters at Jnims Mortuary, where the mortal remains of 6 Naga hostages are being kept. The bodies of the 6 victims, who were reportedly abducted by armed Kuki groups from the Leilong Waife area on May 13, were recovered from a nearby location yesterday afternoon. The remains were brought to the Jnims Mortuary under tight security at around 2 a.m., where an NIA team also arrived to oversee the necessary legal proceedings. Upon hearing the news of the arrival, a large crowd consisting mostly of the Naga community gathered at the mortuary complex in advance. They shouted slogans expressing a deep outrage over the killings and the government's inaction. The situation escalated when a security vehicle drove into the site aggressively, triggering a scuffle between protesters and security personnel. Security forces subsequently fired tear gas to disperse the crowd till late last night. It remains uncertain when the post-mortem examination will take place. Speaking to media persons, Liang Mai Naga Council President Timothy Vizunamai expressed shock and deep anguish over the deaths. He strongly criticized the state government's lack of sincerity in rescuing the hostages, noting that officials have yet to provide formal intimation regarding the recovery of the bodies. Vizunamai added that Naga community leaders and the families of the deceased will collectively decide on their next course of action.
May day 13 Same one day the Tokudo, me, body, take the guide and Namakoy, Matoto Pazana Pantopi. I don't walk where you did, I don't mean the topic, you don't see the Greg. See the way of so Greg, see as a minor Tambi bro. I see boy of so, me, you take the guide and the Tambi, away you suppose and the Tambiona, away in Manipur state government. I see the senior and Masak on the vida, why log it of Sikram and Logera. Government, I see in why no Sibia, Hoibo. Ngasi government apamada khoi sun mi kun hen kun thra yo na khoi ngai bi bani adu akhoi ya pamdo asi gi mi asi bi gi akhoi gi apam akhoi gi demand akhoi pi de akhoi so asi da thamna so sab lau lau roi khoi ai witness la ye la loin ba phai da ne si bdo hoji asi bi gi mi truk to la loin ba phai da phom da ba spya ya roi hab si ai ngasi government da thamlam ge thank you
Manipur allow there, she never come up from the family. We don't get a city allowed the women. I think that's the you. Allow me, we know the Vino, Manipur,